the season to drink too much and eat too much sugar and eat too much fat and just feel miserable. You know, we all do it. We've done it, and like, why? Why do we do that? Why do we want to start the new year feeling miserable, but we do it? So how do you avoid drinking so much alcohol during the holidays? So there are ways. There are such good mocktails, and you don't have to use sugar. One of the big complaints I have with mocktails is they have so much sugar in them. So if I'm out and I order a mocktail, my favorite is a mojito, I order it with no sugar, and I carry a few drops of stevia. I always carry stevia in my purse, and I add stevia to it. So that's one trick. But one thing that you can do, you can add like a little splash of cranberry to make it look pretty, or you can add some fresh berries to sparkling water, and that always looks really, like, it looks good, it tastes good. And for those of you who aren't ready to not drink at all, but you don't want to have 2, 3, 5 glasses of wine, the thing you can do is you might get a sparkling water and do half and half, like half wine, half sparkling water. They call it a spritzer, something like that. That's going to help you taper off. It's going to help you cut way back. So that's something you can do to get going. And then you'll start to realize mocktails actually taste pretty good. For most of us, it's the social thing. Like, I have an occasional glass of wine, but really what I want is, like, I want something pretty in my hand.